Congratulations on your new Neptune CT scanner. In this video, we'll walk through the steps for delivery, moving, and calibrating your Neptune scanner so you know what to expect on the day of your installation. Your Neptune scanner will arrive in a crate on a truck. Don't use the truck's liftgate to unload the scanner in its crate. You'll need a forklift rated to handle 4,000 pounds. You'll receive detailed instructions for disassembling the crate and removing the scanner, which will require the forklift again. After the scanner has been removed from its crate, it can be rolled over flat, level surfaces on its own wheels. The Neptune scanner can fit through a standard 36-inch door. If your space isn't accessible through a wide enough door, please discuss location options with your installation engineer. If you have significant gaps, thresholds, or bumps on the path from the dock to the final destination, you'll either need a crew of helpers with steel plates or to hire riggers. Before installing your Neptune scanner, make sure your space is clear and level, located near a standard 120-volt outlet, and has good internet connectivity, ideally wired over Ethernet, though Neptune scanners also support Wi-Fi. You'll receive detailed specifications from Lumafield for your IT team to help ensure that your network is ready for your Neptune. Your installation engineer will complete setup and calibration from here. Your scanner will be ready to use by the end of the day, and you'll be ready for Lumafield training.